Sorry about that. One day I will learn. One day I will remember to set up my microphone. Good morning, Tina. Thank you. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go live on TikTok here. Can't wait. Volume is back. All right. Another day. I wish I had some amazing news for you about, oh, hey, this thing's going to happen. And so now Bitcoin's going to shoot off like crazy. And it's just not happening, you know? And I mean, listen, we've got the grayscale unlocks coming up this week, and the biggest unlock being on the 18th. And that's a very important day. After that, I'll be feeling a lot better about the price of Bitcoin going higher. It's just one of those things that's we've got to get through this. We've got to get through this week. So let's get through this week, and we'll see what comes of it. I'm not, again, I've said this a lot already. I'm not expecting after that anything huge. I'm not expecting anything huge for the month of July. August, I expect to be decent. I'm not expecting August to be this month where we reach all-time highs again, but it'll be a month in the right direction. And then September, October, November, I think we'll climb, you know? And I do believe we'll see an all-time high for Bitcoin at least this year. So, yeah, when should I buy more crypto? We need to have a FaceTime meeting before everything happens. Yeah, Nicholas, everything that I just said. I'm going to be converting a decent amount of Tether back to crypto, back to Bitcoin, some alts as well. Probably in, probably after this week. So yeah, I mean, let's do another FaceTime thing. That's on you. I just ask that you let me know when you want to do it. That's something that you signed up for, so let's do it. People being shy on TikTok for some reason. No worries with me on that. But who's going to be the first to say something on TikTok? I'm surprised. Don't be shy. So, what else? All right. Dogecoin dead. No, wait a little bit. What's up, username 718? It's going to be a while. It's going to be a while. How much money am I losing today? Everything's just been flat for the last couple of weeks. You know, I made a video last week about a potential July 18th bottom, and I am sticking to that in the sense of like, I'm going to be loading. I'm loading up a little bit. So driving me up the wall. Yeah, it's been about 50 days, something like that. So, hey, yeah, Crypto King. That's awesome. You know, opened a shop in Cambodia accepting Pi. I thought about making a TikTok about that. I might do that. Am I still thinking 10K for ETH? Yes, absolutely. But not this year. This cycle, yes. So Dogecoin's going to go up again. Yeah, eventually. It's going to be a few months. So, yeah, Nicholas, I mean, it's your thing. You know, you signed up for it. So let's talk. When you say while, do you mean until next year or what? Tufik, it could be until next year. I do believe that we will see all-time highs again this year. So buying more ETH, okay. You lied to me. I didn't lie to you, username 718. I hope you're joking. I got new information and I adjusted. If that's not allowed, then you need to... You know, well, no, that is allowed. I'm saying that's allowed. So, okay, you kind of am. Well, be patient. It'll get there. That's kind of annoying that you're kind of claiming that I lied to you. So, M, what's up, M? Shiba, I think Shiba's, I think all meme coins are going to be flat. Okay, username, we're cool then. Meme coins are going to be flat. I don't care that Shiba got 1.5 billion launched in liquidity or anything like that. I just think that Shiba is going to be flat for a while, that we need to see movements in coins that have historically been around So yeah, I'm still holding Matic. Yep, I am, and I am happily holding Matic. So BC predictions. I'm assuming you mean Bitcoin. If so, I believe that Bitcoin. I have not changed my mind. The only thing that I've changed my mind on is the timing. I believe that Bitcoin will hit $200,000 this cycle, and that this cycle will peak, at the latest by May of 2022, but maybe even as early as November of this year. So I am live on YouTube, by the way, for those of you on TikTok. I am live on YouTube. I will gladly answer any of your questions there. The TikTok stream does go pretty quickly, and I'm sometimes not able to answer every question on there. So hop on over to YouTube. Some people claim it's a better viewing experience. My bottom this cycle for Bitcoin, 28,800. Unless there's some stock market crash that's coming, or that will affect the price of crypto, of all crypto. Hello, Art and Wellbeing. Good morning, Fry. What's up? Long-term hold XRP versus Matic. I think they're both decent. Especially you want to be holding XRP before this SEC suit is over. But between the two, I'd say Matic for sure. So, what's up, Pete Nasty? Pete Nasty. How low do you think VET will go? I don't know about how low I think it'll go. Anything under 5 cents, I'd be pretty eager to buy VET. So, XLM $5 this cycle. That would suggest coin stock should hold at least 205. Yeah, I think so. XRP predictions $8 to $10. Thorchain, yeah, Thorchain. I really don't know enough though. So for a second I was thinking VThor, but yeah, VET to $1. Frank Sriracha, what's up, man? So thank you, Pete Nasty. Really appreciate that. And again, I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to YouTube, search World War Bitcoin. And did you see Crypto Weatherman had a good sandwich, the most bullish thing he said. So how low ETH this cycle? I mean, 1,700 or so. Bitcoin at 20K? I don't think so. Coin stock is going to continue to move forward regardless of the crypto market. Okay. Hey, how are you? Dot prediction. I've been saying $200 this cycle. So what's up, Smiles? What is up? Yeah, long-term hold XRP versus Matic. I just answered that on TikTok. I'm assuming you asked that on TikTok, and now you're on YouTube. I mean, between the two, I'd say Matic. But, all right, do you have many variables when you consider stock next to crypto? A stock next to crypto? I'm not paying attention to stocks really at all right now. I mean, I hold stocks. I'm just holding them. I'm not selling them or buying any. So, no, I can't really say I do. What's up, Rakib? Let's see. Double tap that screen if you can, if you're on TikTok. I like XLM more than XRP. I think ETH is the future. Hey, I don't want to scare anyone right now. There are some rumors swirling that there's like a chink, I don't know, a bug, not a bug, some way that ETH can be exploited. I'm looking into it. Right now, the source is basically trust me, bro. So just be careful with ETH a little bit, but yeah. All grand, all right. Where have you been? I just missed your lives. I've been going live Monday through Friday. I usually don't go live on Saturdays, so dot price next cycle, no, not really. Nope. Too many competitors, so I just sold 95% of my traditional stocks, crypto only from here until the bull run. Awesome, man. I mean, I don't know about awesome. I know your financial advisor would hate you right now, but yeah. All right, let's see. I put in 10K now. Hopefully it'll go up. I want Link to be $100. What's your prediction? Yeah, I think we'll see three-figure Link. Yeah, and Chainlink for me is a long-term hold. So I might sell some of it if it goes to $100, but really I'm just holding on for this decade, really. Stellar and XLM, it's the same thing. Wait, no, yeah. Stellar's the same thing as XLM. So I like them both. I like Stellar. Yeah, 100% long term. Awesome. We're gonna crash, brother. This week's gonna be shaky. I'm a little bit nervous about the Grayscale unlocks this week. The biggest unlock being 16,000 shares of Grayscale coming on Sunday. After that, I'll be feeling a lot better. So TikTok is my financial advisor. That's funny. Cardano in general, I'm bullish on Cardano. We're not going to know what Cardano is for another 10 years or so, but I've been predicting $8 this cycle. That might be too high. Do you think Aave is a good project? What's your prediction? I don't have a prediction for Aave, but I do think it's a good project, yeah. I know that they're the same. Do you think it's worth investing in? Yes. I love XLM. Yep. Bitcoin back to 15K. I disagree, but, if you're right, I'll be sad and very eager at the same time. So, opinion on an ETH proof of stake conversion. Will that have positive price side effects? Robert, I don't know. Good morning, Albert. I don't know if the 2.0 is going to have a huge effect. I do think that EIP 1559 is going to have a big effect over time, but not ETH 2.0. Thoughts on Matic? I love Matic. Crazy about Matic. It's a potential long-term hold for me. So HBAR is a long-term hold for me. I don't have a ton of HBAR, but I'm not selling any of it, probably for like 10 years. Is Shiba worth holding? If it's between holding and selling, I would say hold. So Matic's on the best alt. Yeah, I mean, it's up there for sure. Thoughts on Algorand long-term? Yeah, over time. Yep, Robert. Algorand long-term. I don't know long-term. I do like Algorand a lot, but long-term is a little scary to me. So Graph, don't know enough, really. You're welcome, CMMR. Cardano, I've already answered a lot about Cardano in XLM. Bullish. I'm just going to say bullish for both of them. B-Pro, don't know enough, honestly. Crow, I like Crow a lot. I'm very excited about what they're doing, their Formula One partnership, their MMA, UFC partnership. So Crypto.com, I don't see any reason for that to die, So the Crow token will live as well. Tiger King, I got nothing. I don't pay attention to stuff like that. Engine, no thoughts. I'm sorry. I just listen. I've done research on Engine. I just don't. There's nothing about it that really pops out at me. So, Chainlink or SafeMoon. SafeMoon again. Meme coins. I know. All right. I know that people are gonna be like, it's not a meme coin, bro. Whatever. I still classify it as a meme coin until they prove otherwise, and I think it's gonna be flat for the next several months. Chainlink's a long-term hold. Very bullish on Wink. Unfurl reserve B2B lending. No. Epic. Oh man, I noticed many times it goes up when Bitcoin is down. Really, I have not noticed that. The things that I'm hearing from other influencers, I'm not really big into gaming, but I hear other influencers are crazy about it. So, Doge or Shiba, man, Doge, I guess. VeChain, very bullish. Sell, nothing. Solana, I love Solana. Very excited about Solana. Polkadot, $200 a cycle. Ruby Card Gang, oh, okay. Yeah, SafeMoon's a scam. Told you to buy Quant weeks ago. I bought Quant. Yeah, I'm excited about it. Do you own SFM? Is that SafeMoon? Yes, I do. I don't own a ton of them. You give them real crypto for SafeMoon? Not sure what you're talking about. Yeah, so Quant got on Coinbase. I just didn't want to download a new app to buy Quant, but it's on Coinbase now, so I bought some. VeChain to $1 this cycle. Heard a lot about Bitcoin going to 100K, 1 million. Would it be bad to go all in on Bitcoin? No, I think that would be great. If there's, between Bitcoin and ETH, maybe not go all in, but I'd have a lot of my portfolio in Bitcoin and ETH. Hello, Yassine. OXT, nothing. Siacoin, I do not know enough. I'm going to do a research day this week, and so I'm going to make a video announcing that I'm going to do a research day. I will do research on all of the top ones that somebody says Siacoin, for example. And if that gets 1,000 likes or something, I don't know, then I will do research on that. Omi, very bullish on Omi. Very excited about Omi. If you had to choose ADA or Solana for sure. Epic looks good, man. Never heard of it. Okay. Cardano price prediction end of 2021. $3 maybe. I don't own any AMP. Yeah, again, very bullish on Omi. I put 5K limit buy for Doge at 16.5. I think it got that far, didn't it? Where do you see ETH end of the year like 5,000? Bought Quant in January, holding till 500. Awesome. I do think it'll go to four figures. So not this cycle, but eventually. Are the values of Ethereum going down? I mean, it's at 2,100 right now. Some perspective, when Bitcoin first got to 58,000 in February, Ethereum was much lower than it is now. So now Bitcoin's at 33,000 and Ethereum's at 2,100. Entry point for Solana, VeChain, Dot, HBAR, man, I can't do all of them at the same time. Solana, I mean, now I think is a great price for Solana, 31. So maybe like 25 or so. Dot, again, I mean, Dot's been really down, like not much lower than here. VeChain, 5 cents. HBAR, I don't know. Matic, if you see double-digit cents, under $1, then definitely that for Matic. Did you do a Doge prediction? I'm thinking around $1 this cycle, but it's going to be a while. BPro, AXC, don't know enough. Did they burn ETH already? No, they haven't. Not yet. So EIP 1559 apparently is launching on August 4th. So, yeah, why do people like Crypto Mason worship XRP? I don't know. I mean, there is one of these things that's saying that the most well-informed people are XRP people, but what do I know? So how about XDC? Bullish. My Shark Week prediction was wrong. Shark Week bull run prediction. Yeah, I mean, I forgot about that. ETH to 1,800. Maybe. VeChain, I love VeChain. BPro, again, I don't know enough about BPro. That might be one of them that I research this Friday. So VeChain end of the year, like 25, 30 cents, something like that. I don't believe the peak is happening this year. I just want to be clear about that. All right, thoughts on Ton Axia coin? Nothing. Mana's done well. Man, sorry, it's really hard for me to keep up. Please don't spam. It's hard enough for me to keep up. So Trias, don't know enough. Cake long term. Man, I don't know. I stake a lot. I have a lot of cake, and I'm staking it. Love the returns. I do think 3 figures over the next year. So Axia coin, nothing. XRP, $8 to $10 this cycle. I've had a good Monday so far. Yeah, Raven coin, don't know enough. Ever hear of pull together protocol on Ethereum? No loss lottery. Yeah. I haven't dived in, but it's very intriguing to me. So yeah, I'd recommend it. Peak already happened. It was 65K. You're wrong. All right. Cardano, $8 or so this cycle. I do not know that it went 2,900%. That's a big reason why I would stay away from it. DAG seems to be trading a lot. Is it new? What is it? I don't know. Very bullish on Solana. All right, when do you think the next peak for all cryptos is coming? Sometime between November of this year and May of next year. ETH price prediction, 15,000. What complications could government cause for crypto, if any? They could cause lots of complications over the short term. I think long term, they're going to have a really hard time. So you had to reposition your entire portfolio tomorrow. How you see it splitting up between coins? Not sure what you're asking. If I had to reposition my entire portfolio tomorrow, I wouldn't. I would just hold. But I'm in favor of holding mostly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do you think ETH is sinking? No. My pronouns, he, him. I'm super straight. Or you could call me we, us. Something like that. So what's up? Yeah, 67% of Chainlink owned by 14 wallets. I saw something about that. Crypto Weatherman just made a good TikTok about it. He's not worried about it, and he's like a perma bear. That's not true, but if he's not worried about it, then I'm not going to be concerned all that much either. He made a really good case for why it's not a concern. Doge to $1 eventually one day. Crow, very bullish. I love Crow. Crypto.com is going to exist for a while. When will ETH drop the lowest this month? I'm thinking like the 18th. What am I? I'm a man. Stay away from it. That's wild. Stay away from what? Is XRP a good investment? I mean, for returns, yeah, you'll get positive returns. I'm not a part of the XRP army. I'm not crazy about XRP. I have some. So do you think ETH is sinking? I answered that. Luna, I have no price predictions for Luna. I'm not expecting a ton in comparison to other cryptos, but Chainlink prediction end of the year. $60. Did you hear Apple is supposedly buying Bitcoin today? I think that was like one of those trust me bro type rumors. I don't think that's actually true. Best place to buy XRP, Uphold. And yeah, I do think you should buy it. Will Ethereum price go up to 3,000 anytime soon? Maybe in August or September. Do you think the 15th is the best time to buy ETH? No, I'd say like the 18th. Dot, very bullish on Dot. Three figures. What did you say Weatherman isn't concerned with? How much of Chainlink is owned by whales? Why would you keep Bitcoin even after you die? People ask me that all the time, or maybe it's the same person asking me that. I have children, and I want to give them an inheritance. I am building something for after my years. I know that's insane to you kids, but one day maybe you'll understand. I hope you do. Chainlink prediction end of the year, yeah, $60 or so. Trust Wallet, I have Trust Wallet. I like it. BTT, I'm not a fan. Just sent 455 likes. Thank you. SafeMoon's going to be flat for a while. Why will ETH drop on the 18th? All right, everything's correlated with Bitcoin. It has to do with the grayscale unlocks. Watch one of my TikToks. I made it last week about basically wondering if the 18th is going to be the bottom. It is my 9th most recent TikTok. So what method are you using to make these predictions? It's a lot of things. I've just I did a ton of research, and let me tell you something, D-Bell. I'm not excited about making these predictions. So for some of these, I'm just throwing numbers out. But I've done a lot of research. So Zilliqa, no, but this Friday I will. Theta, very bullish on Theta. Oh my goodness, Cam. Okay, Cam. He made a video about Chainlink, saying he wasn't concerned with the whales with Chainlink. Dogecoin. Thank you, B Pagan. Dogecoin is going to be flat for a while. Polkadot prediction end of the year. Listen, I don't think the peaks are going to come before this year is over. I think it's going to come in 2022. But all right, Polkadot $60. I think all cryptos will be a little bit higher than their all-time highs by the end of the year. Shiba Inu is going to be flat. How long would I hold XLM? When you think I'm going to sell all of my XLM when things just go parabolic. If that doesn't happen, I will just continue to hold it. But I believe it'll happen like early to mid 2022. Very big on helium. So yeah, price for Solana. I don't have a price prediction this cycle, but I think it's going to be worth similar to what ETH is worth right now in 4 years, if that makes sense. We appreciate the prediction. That's funny. Yeah, thank you. All right, YouTube. I am live on YouTube, by the way. It's really hard for me to keep up with all the comments on TikTok, but I will answer every question on YouTube. So thank you, Robert. What are some of the best investment coins for this cycle? Man, that's lots and lots of them. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Chainlink, HBAR. I could go on. Solana, Binance, Cake. I didn't have to yell at you. Tezos, don't know enough really. So Fry, thank you so much. When HNT and Luna build a bridge, it's a wrap. All right. You think the government ever going to make their own crypto? Yeah. But I think the government ends up doing a poor job with things like that. So I think it'll not do well. Don't know enough about the graph. I hold plenty of Crow. Yeah. Thank you, Irfan. I hold plenty of Crow. I love Crow. Crypto.com is not going anywhere. So little off from the crypto questions, but what do you think about metals? If you ask Bitcoin maximalists what they think about metals, they think that they're going to be worthless, like gold and silver is going to be absolutely worthless. I 100% disagree with them. I do believe that crypto and that Bitcoin, the cryptos that survive, because a lot of them will die, but the cryptos that survive will very much outperform metals. But I have every intention on loading up on gold and silver at some point. I have a decent amount of silver. I used to have a lot more, but Polygon, I love Polygon. Crypto down again. I mean, it's been flat for 50 days. It's flat, bro. crypto down again, bro. 1inch and Terra Luna, don't know much about enough about either of them, honestly. Crow or VeChain long term. If you're gonna hold one and never sell it, I'd say Crow. But I do love VeChain. Started with 1,000, got up to 10,000, now at 6,000. Cool. You know what? Maybe cash out your 1,000, your initial investment, and ride the rest. So, been stacking your Crow bag. All right. All right. VeChain thoughts. Still very bullish on VeChain. I would say if it gets anywhere near 5 cents, load up on it. You know. Has the bear market started? A bear market has started, not the bear market. Favorite crypto influencer? Probably Benjamin Cohen. Bitcoin is garbage. Oh, sorry, excuse me. How do you store assets like precious metals in a bank, or how does that work? I mean, I have it in a shoebox. I don't have a ton. Audio on YouTube keeps going in and out. Hey, can any of you on YouTube confirm that, please? I'm sorry to hear that, Rob. Am I concerned about TikTok banning crypto influencers? No. You know, I haven't been joining in on performing on what am I thinking on, like, I haven't been pumping meme coins, you know, crap coins, not meme coins, like garbage coins. So the more they ban those people who've been doing that, great, you know, the better. So what price do you see Bitcoin bottom up to and timeline? I think we're going to flirt with 30,000 this weekend. I think the grayscale unlocks are going to be that bears are going to take an opportunity to short it, even though no Bitcoin is going to be sold. So, all right, you guys say it sounds okay. So sorry, Rob, but other people are saying it sounds okay. Was thinking about you saying the U.S. government doing a bad job when they introduce crypto. Agree, and they will continue to print coins and dilute their value, just like the USD. Exactly, Jill. Exactly. I heard there will be a market crash around September when unemployment bonus is over. Maybe. It's louder on TikTok. Okay. Sorry. Well, all right. Whatever. I am live on YouTube right now. For those of you on TikTok, I think more people prefer the YouTube thing. Look me up on YouTube right there, World War Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. So, KCC pad, no. I remember saying Bitcoin is garbage when it was at 8K. Yeah. DAG Constellation? I don't know what that is. Doge will get pump up if Elon announced it's accepting it for Tesla. I don't agree. Bless your cotton socks. Shiba is one to get in XLM. Okay, I mean, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. Do you invest in stocks and shares too? Not right now, but yeah, I'll go back into stocks eventually. Bitcoin is going to be completely crash and be no more. I'm going to stop reading your comments, infamous pimp. What's up, Mang? Big Head, what's up? Freezing on Is it freezing on TikTok? Vet markets well, but do the revenues from projects really justify moving higher? No, they don't actually. Not right now. But it's a cryptocurrency. So the Kusama Polkadot partnership, the way that people can test. What's up, Sambo? Can test their projects before they launch. I really like it, but nothing as far as a price prediction for Kusama. I think it's a good one to hold, though. Dogecoin. I'm not a huge fan of Dogecoin. I think it's going to be flat for a while, but all right. No, it's not freezing. So it's freezing for you, whoever said that. So I know everyone wants to make a quick buck, but what do you recommend putting $1,000 into short term? Only Bitcoin or Ethereum, maybe Uniswap, something like that, but otherwise not all that much. So. All right, smooth on TikTok. I have the same view you have with setting my kids up later in life. Awesome, Albie. I wish more people had that mentality. Solana X, that just got launched. I don't know anything about that, Arthur. Sorry. Bull run over, I don't think so. I think we're in a bear market, but not the bear market. I don't think, no, Doge is absolutely not a good long Mocan. Do you auto stake cake? Yes, I do. I like it. I do both. I manual and auto. They're both fine. So should I wait to invest in Polkadot? I mean, I think you should dollar cost average your way in. Worst case scenario, SEC ruling for XRP. The SEC just dominates. I don't think they will. But, yeah, that would be bad. What did you find out? Civic? Nothing? Want to know more on Bitcoin? Listen to this live stream. Consume content. Yeah, just DCA and a dot and link. Yep. Tezos, don't know enough. Sorry. Top 3 picks this month, please. I just made that video. Did you not see it, Irfan? Is that a joke? I think you're joking with me. So, all about the next generation. Yes. Shiba is going to be flat for a while. 252 in the house. Sold my last 5 shares in Robinhood buying ETH. Okay. Why do you believe Doge is not a long-term hold? Look at Mocon. Look at the chart. Dogecoin lost 99% of its value from the peak in 2018 to its bear market bottom. I don't want to be holding Doge, a 99% loser, no matter when I bought in. Hey, what's up, Rep? Why did Dogecoin fall? Because everything else fell. XRP prediction: if SEC wins, it'll definitely. I shouldn't say definitely, but it should go beyond its all-time high of $3. So. Sounds like from your research, Chainlink is the bomb diggity. Yeah, for sure. H-bar is a long-term hold for me. I like H-bar. All right, do you think we'll have Bitcoin go back to 34K before the weekend? It's possible. I mean, the Doge, sorry, not the Doge. What am I thinking? The coin, oh my goodness. Come on. Think about it. The grayscale unlocks are unrolling like right now. So I think it's going to be a rough week. So my guess would be actually maybe not. Investing $450 a week into 3-4 solid projects. That's awesome, man. Are we live? Boom. Yeah, we are live, man. Yo, did you know you can gain 12% interest on Polkadot and Voyager when you own 20 coin average for the month? Yeah, I knew that. Yep. Invest in the Doge Shiba Mint coin selling for 10x on eBay. All right. Link is the next crypto I'm going to add. Awesome. I think that's a great one. Why the dip in Bitcoin this morning? I think it has to do with grayscale unlocks. So, do I do any stock trading? None right now. I mean, I own stocks, but hey, Eric Davidson, what's up, man? Thank you so much, Boom. But I'm like 90% in crypto, 10% in stocks. I'm just holding my stocks. I'm not paying attention to stock market really all that much right now. If you need to put a limit sell on Doge, where would you place it? Bought in at 27 cents. I mean, if you're holding for it to go up, I'd say like 90 cents or something. Should I wait to invest in Polkadot? Dollar cost average. The dip happened at like 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is an interesting time, yeah. 5% interest on Chainlink when you average 10 coin monthly. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I have Chainlink and Polkadot on Voyager, so. CCIV stock, what's your thoughts on it? I haven't paid attention to CCIV in several months. Lucid Motors is doing something right. I remember reading something about Lucid Motors, but Spark token, man, I'm sorry. Again, I don't know Arthur. Thought you said Grayscale wouldn't happen until the middle of this month. No, I said that there 41,000 shares are unlocking throughout the month, but then the 18th is the biggest day for the unlocks, Sambo. So Polygon PT price target, Polygon, let me think. $8. 2 a.m. time. The crypto weatherman just put a video out. Yeah, he did. XRP bullish in general, but it's going to be flat. Started staking cake. Not sure what I'm doing. Sorry, my YouTube. All right, I'm fixed now. Seems to be working well. Good. I love staking cake. Pablo says Bitcoin will crash. That's like Pablo saying the sky is blue. I like VET. Yes, I love VET. Engine coin, don't know enough. Thoughts on staking on BlockFi? I stake Chain, ETH, and Bitcoin there. It's not officially staking, but I do it as well, and I like it a lot. So, just in case you didn't know, I was just trying to give you back. Oh, yeah. Okay, King Kush. Cardano, VET, Crow in that order with Link in the works. What would be a good one to add to diversify? I mean, I hope you have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Otherwise, I'd say Matic. H-bar price prediction, $2 or so the cycle. What's a good Bitcoin to invest in? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pablo's a fool. Your words, not mine. I like Pablo. API 3, don't know enough, sorry. Should I continue to buy $500 worth of XRP each week? I mean, I would spread it out, you know? I mean, sure, load up on some XRP, but why not some other stuff? So, see ya, be pagan, be pagan. $500 now. You pick Bitcoin. Thank you, King Kush. Thank you so much. I can't tell you. Thank you, Sambo. ADA price target. $8 or so this cycle. Do you farm cake with BNB? No, I don't farm. I just pool it. I stake it. All right. Pablo said no volume. What do you think? I don't understand the people saying no volume, honestly. Here's my thing about the volume. Look at the volume now compared to 2017. The volume is so much higher now in comparison to 2017. So there's no volume in comparison to when it was at $64,000. But the volume that's happening is that people are loading up. The whales are loading up on crypto. What do you think cake will be at in a year? 3 figures sometime. While the attention to Ripple, I mean, people love to talk about XRP and Ripple. So what was your full-time job? I'm self-employed. I own a grocery distribution business. Thank you, Arthur. Fett. Darren, again, sorry. I hate it when people ask me stuff that I don't know about, and then they ask another thing and I don't really know about it. And that's the thing with Fett. If you're saying Feg, I know a decent amount about Feg, but Pablo, so is Doge done? Not necessarily, no. I don't have Bitcoin or ETH, but plan to buy in the bear market with alt profits. All right. Where do you Matic? Coinbase? I think it's on Voyager as well. Oh, where do I see Matic? I don't know, like $8 or so. Have I looked into Nephi? Early days, what looks promising? It's funny you're talking about Pablo. He really pumped up Nephi. The things that I've seen about it, I'm not as excited about it as other people are. So I wish I could just pay your Glassnode info. Yeah, man, I wish I had that Glassnode info. 800. If anyone wants to donate $800 a month to the cause, it'll go straight to paying for Glassnode information. So, yeah, Pablo spreads a lot of FUD for a reason. He's heavy on Bitcoin, down, smart guy, but has subjective motives. Yeah. What do you think of Big Boy Crypto's views on XRP? So far, it's all trust me, bro. That's Bitcoin. That's BitBoy Crypto's views on XRP. I will give him more credence when he actually produces something that's substantial information. So, by the way, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now, and I would recommend it that you check out YouTube. Some say that it's a better viewing experience. So, Pablo thinks Bitcoin is going to 20. Yeah, he's been thinking that for a while, and it hasn't happened. And I called him out on that, and I was right. But, maybe he'll be right. Eventually, a lot of people think it's going to 20, which makes me wonder that maybe it's not. Do you worry when a coin markets a lot like VET hyping themselves too much? Maybe. VET is not something that I'm going to be holding through the bear market, and that may be a reason why. So, Chainlink, what about it? I love Chainlink. It's a long-term hold. No, I'm not moving off of TikTok. Nope. I'm live on both YouTube and TikTok. So, AMP. AMP might be a buy right now. For the last month, I've been telling people to stay away from AMP. I haven't looked at the price. I don't own any, but yeah. Yeah, neutral. Yeah. BitBoy does seem like he's unrealistic. So, Mana, ETFs, all that. I don't know. All I'll say is I'm bullish. I'm not going to hold Anchor through the bear market. I see that question. No, but I do believe that if you did and you just held it for like 10 to 20 years, it would be great. So Aave, bullish. AMP is 5 cents right now. Okay. A lot of people think Bitcoin is going to 100K in December. Does that worry you? Not really. That's a good question, Rakib. Nami, I don't know enough about that. Boom, boom. That is a good question. Maybe it should worry me, but I don't think Bitcoin's going to be at $100,000 in December. I think it's going to be more like 80,000. So why won't you hold VET during the bear market? Because I think it's going to go down too much. VET, Cardano, XRP, I think it's good to own all of them. So which all are you the most bullish on for this year? Something Ethereum related, maybe like Uniswap. I don't own any Uniswap, but maybe Uniswap, maybe Chainlink, maybe even Ethereum, maybe Matic. Will Bitcoin ever see 60K again? Yes. When do you think the bear market will happen? Middle to late 2022, I think, will be the start of it. So, do you recommend investing small and consistently into ETH like I do with Bitcoin? Yeah, I'd say both, Burritosaurus. So, Pablo is hilarious. Yeah, it's a game of patience. Yep. Just shared my thoughts on Aave. In general, I'm just going to say I'm bullish. So, Mina Protocol, I think Mina's at a really good buying price right now. Fried. So, Cardano doing big things eventually, you know, maybe. Yeah, being smart and patient, don't invest more than you have or more than you can afford, and keep dollar cost averaging. Yep. You're welcome, Burritosaurus. All right, I'm actually caught up for the moment. Hallelujah. All right, Nami, best white paper I've seen in a while. I guess I'll add it to my list. No guarantees. When do you think bull run comes back as ETH getting at least back to 3K and Bitcoin to 40K? ETH to 3K sometime in the fall. Scaling Ethereum since 2018. Okay. H-bar. Again, H-bar is a long-term hold for me. I am bullish on H-bar over this next decade. Probably hold it until 2030 or something like that. So, what's up, Waza? Mana. Man, I've talked a lot about Mana. I'm bullish. Ethereum prediction 5,000 this year, 15,000 this cycle. Going to keep Cake staking through the bear market. What percentage of your portfolio Cake? A lot of my portfolio is in Cake. Thank you, Albie. I don't think I'll be staking it throughout the bear market. I just think it's going to lose too much of its value. And, you know, I should because, I mean, it's not going to keep up with 100% returns. But if I got 100% returns on Cake, that means I would 8x in 4 years in my Cake. And that's not even including the price. So I'm probably not going to. Maybe I will. I don't know. It's one of those things that it's like, it's hard for me to say, like, will I be able to time the peak? If so, then I'll probably dump it. Best coin under a penny. I don't really do that, you know. Sorry, I've got nothing for you, Michael. Synthetic network token. I take my cues. Listen, yeah, you know, synthetic. I'm really excited about that. That's what I'm going to do a lot throughout the bear market is load up not on synthetic, but on the synthetic tokens. Anything pegged to stocks, you know, a peg to a stock with an ability to farm and get returns on that sounds great to me. So, Wuradoni by Cake. Quant is a beast. Yeah, time's most valuable asset. Yep. Bitcoin may go. Pablo says Bitcoin may go down this month, and then who could have predicted these broad generic guesses? Yeah. Elrond is 56 in market cap. Can it get to the top 20? It has the potential to get to top 20. Yeah. Yeah, synthetic has been best gainer for 2 days now. Don't chase the green candle. All right, what normally happens in the bear market? Normally a huge drop in price, or does the market just trade sideways? Elias, it just bleeds. Like, it bleeds badly. And even what we're seeing right now, I would say it's like this isn't normal. This is different, which gives me hope, is what I'm saying. So it's going to be different this time, Elias, because staking in 2018, you know, Cardano, Ethereum, they weren't really big. There wasn't a lot of staking going on, if any. And now with staking, like Cardano is not going to lose 99% of its value from the peak to the bottom, and Ethereum's not going to lose 93% of its value from the peak to the bottom because of how much of it is getting staked. So it's going to be different this time. It's going to be hard to tell. Should I keep my DGB or cut losses? In general, I'm saying hold. Sell or hold on Bitcoin. Well, I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin for 20 years at least. So I think you should do what I do, not financial advice. Chainlink or ADA, I'd say Chainlink. Solana, yes, very bullish on Solana. How long is the bull cycle going to last? I would say until November of this year or May of 2022. All right, when is your opinion on the supposed next big dip? I really genuinely believe that if there isn't a big dip by the 18th, that we are in the clear, aside from like a black swan event or a stock market crash. If the stock market crashes, all bets are off. But all right, where do I live? I'm in the Midwest. That's all I'll say for now. Staking adds legs to any asset, essentially. Yeah. API 3 or FET opinion. Somebody asked me about that, and I don't know enough about either of them. Slice of butter. Thank you. All right, streaming on YouTube makes it easy to listen while I drive. Okay, great. So I assume the bloodshed won't be as great as it used to be, but greater than what it is now. Elias, what do you mean by that? I mean, all right, let's say things shoot up. You know, Bitcoin goes to 200,000, Bitcoin or Ethereum goes to 5 figures, Binance at 4 figures, and then they crash from there. I could see them, the bear market bottom being higher than the prices they are now. So, best place to stake Cardano. I don't know. I don't stake any. You know, I hold some on Voyager, and I think I'm getting returns on that. I really don't have enough Cardano. I'm just like not like, you know, how much higher can it go? It's got a $40 billion market cap and a lot of hype, basically. I do think it'll go higher, but it's just one of those things that I'm not like, I don't feel like I'm going to miss out if I'm not holding a ton of Cardano. Best place to stake Binance. I do it on Trust Wallet. But yeah, I just answered about Cardano. Boom, boom. So, by the way, follow me. For those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me there. I believe it's a better viewing experience. All right, when buying crypto, do you have to put your holding in a wallet, or when do you put it in wallet? You can keep it on the exchange, or you can hold it in a wallet. You don't have to. You can do whatever you want with that. So, after SEC, where do you see XRP going to? I think it'll go to around its all-time high, which is around $3. Is there anywhere to stake HBAR? I don't know. I don't know if Voyager provides returns. All right, you can stake Cardano at 4%, 4.6% on Exodus. Good to know. Audio is fine. Voyager X. You mean the VGX token? I mean, Voyager's going to be around, so VGX will be around. Oh, all right. Cardano, Voyager, 5%. What's up with Theta? I don't know. It's just doing its thing, just like everything else. It's just flat. Since we are down 50% from the top on ETH, are we in a bear market now? Yeah, we are. We are in a bear market, not the bear market. It's not one of these things, Earl, that I would say pack your bags until 2024. I like Voyager for ADA interest at 5.25%. All right. Are you pro hardware wallet for long-term holds like Bitcoin and ETH? Maybe for Bitcoin. I want to be staking my ETH. I want to be getting returns. So, Crypto Capital Venture stakes ADA. Okay. Yeah, Baby Bear. There we go. Have you seen Luna? No. Is Luna doing something crazy today? What platforms let you buy XRP? I'd like to get some before the SEC is done with the ruling. Uphold, and there's another one too. I can't remember. Kraken, maybe? You should have a whiteboard behind you with your choices for crypto. I should, yeah. Are you keeping XRP before the trial settlement? No, I have a decent amount of XRP. I'm just holding on to it. How long until ETH may hit 50,000? Maybe middle of the decade, maybe end of the decade. So, all right, Tricker Tree from the future. Tricker T is from the future, and he says Bitcoin is about to crash. So, cool, man. I'm not staking Cardano, no. Not today with Luna, but it hit $8 last week or so. Okay. Where do I stake my ETH? All right, so I don't actually stake ETH, but I do hold some on, a decent amount on BlockFi. Do you use them? Toolboy. What are you talking about, Toolboy? Oh, Uphold. No, I don't use Uphold. Yeah, but thank you for this sentiment. I really appreciate that. Is it worth staking small amounts of ETH, only buying as little as I can? Jason, I would recommend holding on something like BlockFi or Celsius. You'll get returns there. What percentage do you see all? Am I connected on YouTube? I got disconnected on YouTube as well. All right, KuCoin and Uphold for XRP. I think I'm back. Am I back on YouTube? All right, I'm back. What do you think about ETH drop or pump soon? I think this week's not going to be great. Eventually it'll pump. Flying to the sun. What's blockchain 5? I don't know. Again, I am live on YouTube right now. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. All right, exit strategy with altcoins when the bull run happens. You know, I learned my lesson from this pump in May. I am going to anything that I see go parabolic, shoot up like crazy. I'm taking profits and I'm just cashing out. Well, no, I'm not cashing out. I'm converting to to stable coins, USD coin, something like that, BUSD, and so I'm going to do that and just, you know, get the 9 to 12% returns on my USD coin until like 2023, 2024, something like that. And hopefully I'll be mostly out of it by the time things dump again. So yeah, when will we see April, May prices again? Are we talking months or a few years again? I'm thinking months. I'm thinking like end of the year, November, December. We will slowly climb. August, I think, will be an okay month. September, October, November will be decent months. End of the year, I believe, we will be back to April and May prices again. ETH might drop again below 2,000, maybe. I mean, it's at 2,100 right now. I could absolutely see it dropping below 2,000. So you're welcome, Miss G, Miss XG. So why would you not dump Bitcoin before the bear? Rep, we are running out of Bitcoin. Like, legitimately, I don't think, like, I want to stack those sats. I don't think we're going to be able to buy Bitcoin on exchanges, on Coinbase. I don't think we're going to be able to buy it. So I don't want to mess with that. I think that all the Bitcoin that's mined and any Bitcoin that's sold on Coinbase will go to like exclusive buyers. But we're running out. I have not checked out Railgun, sorry. Nano's dropped out of the top 100. It's got a cool name, but maybe it's one of these things that's like, you know, maybe it's overrated. How long is the bull run going to last? I would say the peak, all that stuff could happen in November. I would say the earliest would be November. The latest would be like May of 2022. So XRP, it's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. Check out my second most recent TikTok. Doge, $10 this decade? No. Man, I want to say no. I mean, that puts its market cap at over $1 trillion. I'm like, dude, how could Doge, of all things, be worth more than $1 trillion? Aave predictions, I'm sorry, I don't really have one. Sorry. SHIB's going to be flat for a while. For several months. Thoughts on Tron and Harmony. Harmony is underrated. I am bullish on Harmony. Tron, I do not like Tron. I don't want anything that Justin Sun has touched. But will it go higher than it is now? Sure. Sure. Thank you, BlackRock Trades. Oh, BlackRock Trader Group. Thank you, Miss G. Thank you so much. Use a tracking software for taxes. I mean, I just use TurboTax. So We think coin as our existing currency. I'm not sure what you're asking, Wang Wang. Man, what happened in May is ETH touched 4K and now is not moving from 2K. Well, you're laughing now. Just, hey, how about you check back in a year, maybe even less than a year, and we'll see if you're still laughing. Wow, technically fundamental. Crazy. Yeah, from an 80% loss, you need 500% gains to break even. Ouch. Do you have a stand-up desk in your new studio? Yes, I do. I am standing up right now. I have a new microphone, which the people on YouTube at least are going to benefit from. It's here. I'm waiting for the cords to come because the cords for some reason came separately. And I've got a green screen behind me. I know those of you on TikTok, you can't see that, but the production quality, I'm hoping, is going to improve. All right, crypto is our saving better than currency? Yeah, I think I understand. I have not reviewed Everrise. I'm sorry about that. I don't own any Kusama. Yeah, the shirt. Thank you, Sambo. Here we go. I know it's backwards on TikTok. Yoda, best dad ever. I got this for Father's Day. Thank you, Eric Davidson. Thank you so much. Am I holding through ETH through the bear, selling a portion? I am. I'm probably going to sell like 2 of my Ethereum and then hold the rest. And we're running out of Ethereum too. It's one of these things. It's like I don't want to mess with that. Yeah, AK-47. The latest news on Chainlink holding 12% wallet worth. I understand what you're saying. Check out Crypto Weatherman's most recent TikTok. He's not worried about it, and he makes some really good points there. So, doing my best, still holding ETH. Hope to pump soon. Yeah. Watch out when Nami hits mainnet and Nephi goes there. It will be a huge exchange. All right. Put in wallet, no IC after end of this year. Oh man, I try really hard with you, Wang Wang. I'm happy you're here. It's not easy to understand sometimes what you're asking. XRP lawsuit. I think that's going to 2022, but I do think that it's good to accumulate because the price has been suppressed, and when it's over, it'll shoot higher. And I think it'll. For sure, go back to its all-time high, and maybe even higher than that. So, where do you stake ETH? I don't stake ETH right now, Brian. But I do hold plenty on BlockFi, and I'm getting like 4.5% returns on it, something like that. So I just don't want to tie it up for 2 years. It's one of those things. Those of you on TikTok, hop on over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. My favorite platform, I will let you know, it is Voyager. Voyager's my favorite platform right now. Not right now. I mean, it's been my favorite platform for a while. And use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You'll get a $25 in free Bitcoin. And you'll skip the waiting list. So, Drew Elliott, you can buy XRP on Uphold. Polkadot, bullish on Polkadot. 3 figures this cycle. Are you planning on holding Cardano and ETH like you do with Bitcoin through Bear? ETH, yes. Cardano, no. And it's just one of those things. Sure, it's probably better to hold Cardano with staking and everything now than it was in 2018. But Cardano lost 99% of its value from the bear market bottom, from the peak in 2018 to the bear market bottom. So I just don't want to mess with that. Waiting for a small pump in AMC and GME. All right. Should have around 10 to 12K. I'm thinking of loading up on ETH because Bitcoin would only give me 50% return this year. I'm thinking also to invest in VET. Not a bad idea, Jose. But, I could be wrong. Maybe it'll go higher than that. So, all right, 5.35% on Celsius. All right. Cardano will be 150 by 2030. Oh man. Let me think about that. So Cardano right now is at $1.33. So $5 would give it $4 would give Cardano a $160 billion market cap. $40 would be 16.6 trillion. So you're saying that Cardano in 2030 will be worth like over $5 trillion. I'm going to have to disagree with you on that. Thoughts on Quant? Quant is a beast. Love it. And, some people really pushed me to figure out what's the deal with Quant, and I did, and I love it. So I'm thinking it's going to go to 4 figures. 251 in the house. Thank you. 200 DLLs on Matic. Oh, $200. That's excellent. By 2030, maybe 40. Yeah. Thoughts on Pablo and his under 20K. Adam, I am known as a Pablo opponent. We're not opponents. I like Pablo a lot, but I've called him out on that. One of my most viewed videos over the last month and a half or so was basically a video where I disagree with Pablo. Hex will outperform everything. I hope you're right. I own some. I just, people are saying it's a scam. Good buying point in Quant, maybe in the 50s. Will I hold Quant through the bear? I might. I only bought like $500 worth of Quant. I'm going to be adding, I will be stacking on Quant. I'll be stacking on Solana. So what price am I going to sell ADA at? It's not a matter of a price. It's a matter of like, when ADA shoots up, when any crypto shoots up, like I'll start pulling away hard on it. So Zlatan, what's up, man? Buy and hold Quant regardless of bear market. Yeah, Sam, that's a good point. Like look at how Quant has performed recently. It seems like to be totally detached from the rest of the market. So how long for Quant to reach 4 figures? I don't know. I mean, I don't think this bull run, I don't think within a year, but maybe 3-4 years or something. Opinion on AMP. Start loading on AMP. I've been telling people to stay away from it, but it's been a month now. Was Galaxium a scam? I don't know, but it sounds like a scam. Yeah, I like DOT. I like DOT. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you so much. Voyager referral code ALE749. ALE749. ADA might reach $5 then sell. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Already total 90K on crypto. Now don't want to see it already until end of the year. Hope will up. Yeah, I hope so. ICP coin. I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. Miles Taylor. I made a video last week about that. What do you like about Hex? It's more of a look. I bought some, and it's performed well, but like it might be a scam. So, I mean, if you bought Hex in December of 2019 and you've been holding it since then, you're killing it. Hex has been on fire. ICP got removed from Coinbase? Oh, wow. That's hilarious. If you don't need the money, buy and hold at least until 2030. Yep. It's not a scam. I mean, other people say it is a scam. Some people say it's not. I'm holding it. Mine is staking until 2025. If it goes to zero, fine. If it goes to $1, I'll be a very happy man. If you were given a free $100 to drop on a penny altcoin, which would you choose? You guys got to stop thinking of coins in terms of their value, like penny coin or whatever. Look at market cap. Hey, if you cashed out your original investment, great, let it ride, Look at market cap though. That's the thing, because I could recommend VeChain to you. It's under 10 cents, but its market cap is huge. All right, ICP is still on Coinbase in the UK. All right. Do you mind Pi and B? Yes, I do. Still waiting and seeing. There's somebody who follows me has been messaging me on Twitter. All right. So Wiltsy says ICP is still on Coinbase. Never mind. But he recommended that, or no, he showed me, like, they set up a shop in Cambodia where they're accepting Pi for payment. And so as soon as that, if that happens, if that kind of mass adoption happens, then great, because I'm mining it. I got some equity in AMC GME waiting for a small pump. Should have near 12K. Yeah, Jose, I saw that, and I did respond to that. Definitely, that's great. Do you think the U.S. will ever ban crypto? I don't think so. I think that what they would rather do is tax it. It's like, don't ban it, make money off of it. That's probably what they're going to do. What's up, Spacer Alien? Wells Fargo stopping lines of credit. What effect does this start to play on crypto? Jordan, it's one of these things I'm paying attention to that. That's on my radar. I'm not excited about that. That's a little scary. A little scary. Because are we going to see some credit crunch? Are we going to see a credit crunch? If they stop business lines of credit, then sound the alarms. It's time to be terrified. Yeah, Sam Sandu, tap your screens for appreciation. Thank you so much. But why is Pi and B free for now? I don't know. How do you find the annual revenue of a crypto? If they have revenue, Bitcoin doesn't have revenue. Miners do. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. What do you recommend to mine? Man, I don't know. I don't mine other than these cryptos on my phone. But I'll probably buy a Dogecoin miner. I'll probably buy a Helium miner. How do you think on the market now? I think this week's going to be a scary week. After this week, I'll feel a lot better. CMC is a scam. Coin market cap. Okay. See the real crypto charts at Nomics. Yeah, a Hex person would say that. Yeah. Thoughts on what H-bar will reach in the bull run, like $2 or so? Yeah, Jordan. Yep. Oh, man. Okay. You will stand by how much to buy on the 18th? I don't know. I'll probably put a few $1,000s from my tether. Yeah, sounds like we're going to buy the dip. Yep. It's now a good time to buy ETH. I'd wait a week. CMC top 20, most are Binance coins. No, it's not that I disagree with you, Cape. It's more of it's one of those things I'm like, yeah, a Hex person is absolutely going to say that. Am I holding H-bar through the bear? Yes, I am. And listen, I don't have a ton of H-bar, but I am holding it through the bear. Can you take time to explain market cap a little more? It's just the total value. All right, so there's 18,500,000 or so Bitcoin in circulation. So multiply 18,500,000 times 33,421, and you'll get the market cap. How do we know which is the deepest? We won't know until we're able to look back on it. Do you have any videos on staking ADA? No. Jordan, maybe transfer that to Voyager, because you can get returns on Voyager. Thoughts on Kusama? I like Kusama. I like what they do with Polkadot. I don't have any price predictions, though. Sorry. Keep on dropping, keeping on by. Yep. Until don't. Where is best deep? What's the mega supply prize that Paraguay going to announce on July 14th other than Bitcoin bill? I don't know. I was just assuming it was a Bitcoin bill. Will that drop back to under 10 cents during the bear market? I think it's going to be. I think it'll be stay in double digits. Staking ADA on Exodus Wallet 5%. There you go, Exodus Wallet. Cape. I really don't care. I mean, listen. I've told you I'm staking my Hex, and I'm gonna hold it, and there's nothing. I'm just not gonna pull it. If it's not a scam, then by 2025, I'll be in great shape. I just don't care. I'm not gonna unstake it. So, is it a good time to buy Bitcoin, Jeff? I would say wait a little bit. Wait until next week. Prediction on Crow. I don't have a price prediction. I'm just very bullish. You think Doge dropping below 10 cents? No, I don't. No. All right, Alex, total market cap will be ridiculous by 2030 in the whole market, so ADA will reach $150. All right, so let's say Bitcoin's at $1 million by 2030, which I think it will be. I think it's actually going to we're going to be bummed that Bitcoin is only $1 million by 2030. That would give it a market cap of about what? Let me think here. I can't do the math. The chat's going too fast. I don't think 150 would justify. I don't think a $5 trillion market cap would justify it, honestly. How long will it be worth to hold Solana for? You see it go parabolic, start taking profits. That's the thing I would say for everything. Just think what will be the market cap of Bitcoin if it goes to... thank you. I think somebody just subscribed to me on YouTube. Thank you so much. I missed who it was, but I really appreciate that. Just think what the market cap... Yeah, I was trying to do that exercise. I'm blanking right now. Ramp, don't know enough. Good price buy for Crow. I think in general right now is just a good time. Tether or USDC? USDC for sure. Just remembered I got 8,000 on Vet Ledger. Forgot about it. Nice. Yeah, forget about it, but remember it one day. All right, 18.5 trillion. Okay. So you think that Cardano will be worth a quarter of what Bitcoin is worth in 2030? I don't see it. I really don't. All right, what about Ethereum Classic? Will it go up? Yeah, I mean, as Ethereum goes up, Ethereum Classic will go up. I just don't like it long term. Why are you saying to wait till next week for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Jay, I would recommend... It has to do with grayscale unlocks. Check out my most recent... Not my most recent TikTok. Never mind. I made this video... The 9th most recent TikTok, July 18th bottom, this one right here, where it talks about the grayscale unlocks and the biggest grayscale unlock coming on July 18th. If you could get Bitcoin at 0.08 now, wouldn't you want everyone to get in with you? Oh my goodness, yes. But what if it's a scam? What if Hex is a scam? I have some equity in stocks I'm expecting to pump soon. 12K, thinking ETH and VET for better gains. Yeah, I think you asked that question on YouTube and I answered it. I don't know if you heard me. I saw you ask that twice. MEV Time Bandit Reorg. Nothing. Am I so sure? Well, Wang Wang, people have made a bullish case for the grayscale unlocks. I don't see it, but maybe it'll go higher. What's the deal with Charles Hoskins on board of Ethereum Classic? I don't know. VeChain digital COVID passport. Any help for VET? Miles, I have no idea what you're talking about. Yeah, just DCA into Bitcoin. Yeah. All right, Cape, send me something. Maybe I'll watch it. Maybe I won't. I'm tired of talking about it. Honestly, I don't care. What you're arguing against is apathy, and apathy is one of those things that it's like, trust me from experience. Arguing somebody who is apathetic about something is worse. I'd rather argue against somebody who hates something than somebody who's apathetic. And right now, I'm just apathetic about Hex. I personally only feel safe with Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. Everything else will stock up post-bull. Sure, that's not a bad idea. Know anything about XRP being relisted in Coinbase? Probably after the SEC suit is over, which I don't think is going to happen for a while. Stella worth any time, bud? What? IT? Best coin under $1, long term and short term. Oh man. Those questions kill me. It's like it's market cap. It's not price. You got to do it by market cap. But how about, I don't know, VeChain? What's the problem with Quant being Ethereum token? What are you? I don't know what you're asking. All right. I'm going to be done for today. Come on, you got to be more patient. I'm going to be done for now. I will go live again this afternoon on TikTok, but not on YouTube. So for those of you who follow me on YouTube, hop on over to TikTok sometime this afternoon, and I will gladly, I'll be back. So much love to you all. Thank you so much for your time. I'll talk to you later. Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin.